Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Let's start ABC learning together. A for apple. B for ball.
Oh, C for cat.
D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange.
You know.
P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. See you again on ABC Spotlight.